Good morning, one and all. Welcome back to our chemistry class. So, dear children, we are here today to discuss about valence electrons. Our today's topic is valence electrons. Let us take, before we proceed further, valence cell. Here, the things are listed out. Valence cell. What is cell? As you know, the atom. Before this we discussed about the atomic model proposed by Bohr, scientist Neil Bohr, and the atomic model proposed by scientist before Bohr, Rutherford's atomic model. That all we studied, and we know that the negatively charged particles present in the atomic orbit, the orbits which surround the atom, nucleus of the atom, those orbit we call as shell. What we call shell. Suppose this is a nucleus of the atom and these are the shells. So what is valence cell? The outermost orbit. The outermost cell of an atom is valence cell. Outermost. And what are electrons? Valence electrons. The electrons present in this valence cell, we call them valence electrons. What is valence cell? The outermost orbit of an atom, which is far away from the nucleus. The last one, the last cell, last orbit is termed as valence cell or valence orbit. And the electrons which are suspended in that valence orbit, we call them valence electrons. So valence electrons are those which are present in the valence cell. Now come down in metals, metallic atom elements and non-metallic elements. Metals, the elements which have 1, 2 or 3 electrons in the valence cell, except helium and hydrogen. They all come under this category. The elements which possess 1, 2 or 3 electrons, except hydrogen element and helium element. They have 1 or 2 or 3 electrons in the valence cell. So they are metal. What kind of elements are? Metallic elements. And the elements which possess 4, 5, 6 or 7 electrons in the valence cell or valence orbit, they comes under this category, non-metals. Which elements comes under? We conclude them as metals. In metallic list, which elements comes? The elements in which contain 1, 2 or 3 electrons in the valence orbit, we call them metals. Here exception, helium and hydrogen except all comes under metals who possess 1 or 2 or 3 electrons in the valence orbit. So such metal elements we call metallic elements. And non-metallic elements, non-metals will have 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 electrons in the valence cell. So they are non-metal. Now come to the next, cations. What are cations? After that, the positive sign, positive symbol, plus sign is shown in the bracket. Here down below, anions. What is the sign symbol is shown for anions? Negative sign, negative symbol. A minus symbol is shown in the bracket for anions. Positive symbol, positive sign is shown in the bracket for cations. What are cations? The elements which can lose electrons to become ion. We call such elements are cation. The elements which loses electrons to form to become ion. The atom which loses the electrons. Why the atom loses electrons? After losing the electron, that atom is now called ion. And that after losing electron, the element or the atom, what we call them? Ions. What kind of ions? Positive, cations. The atom on losing electrons to gain the positive charge to form the ions, they loses electrons. Such atoms we call as cations, which loses electron. On losing electron, they acquire positive charge. Such atoms or such ions are called cation. And elements or atom which gains electrons The atoms which gains electron to form the ions. Such ions are called anions. The atoms which loses electron to become ion are cations, and the atoms which gains the electron to become ion are anions. See here the example for cation, which are called positively charged, and anion, which are called negatively charged. Here example is given here. See, in the first case, sodium is a metal. What is sodium? Is a metal. And chlorine, Cl, is a non-metal. Now, sodium. What is the electronic configuration of sodium? 281. What is the electronic configuration? The number of arrangement of electrons present in the atomic orbit. The arrangement of electrons is electronic configuration. When check the sodium atom. Sodium atom has, what is the electronic configuration of sodium atom shown here? 281. That means the first orbit, first cell of sodium has how many electrons? This pink dot you can see. 2 electrons. So 2. Then the second cell comes. Count the number of electrons present in the second cell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2, 8. And the last cell, last orbit of sodium has how many number of electrons? 1. Therefore, hence the electronic configuration of sodium atom becomes 281. Here what is shown? Minus. What is shown? Minus. Means it's losing. What is losing? Sodium atom is losing. What is losing? Electron. E minus sign on the top. Negatively charged particle. Electron symbolic is. Sodium is losing electron. Which electron? This electron, which is present in its valence cell. The last orbit, valence electron, this sodium atom is losing. And after losing an electron, it is becoming cation, positive sign. And therefore, 281, on losing this electron, it is becoming 28. See, electron, symbol of electron, electronic configuration of sodium. So this atom of sodium, on losing the electron, now it is called ion of sodium, sodium ion, Na+. On losing electron, it is getting positive charge. On gaining electron, it gets negative charge. Down below, this is a non-metal. Sodium is a metal, one example. This is chlorine, non-metal. Chlorine electronic configuration is shown 287. What is the electronic configuration of chlorine? 287. It means the first orbit of chlorine, first cell has 2 electrons, second cell has 8 electrons, and the valence cell, the outermost cell has 7 electrons. 2, 4, 6, 7. So this atom of chlorine, what is happening here? Gains electron. It has 7. Then after gaining 1, means here plus. Here losing, so it is minus. Here gaining, so it is plus. What is gaining? Electron, symbol of electron. Then after gaining, the electronic configuration before gaining it was 287. After gaining, the 287 electronic configuration becomes 288. So on gaining, minus charge will get. See, atom of chlorine, it forms ion. How it forms ion? After gaining an electron. So this is an ion of chlorine. This is an atom of chlorine. It gains the electron to form negative charge and forms an ion of chlorine. Here atom of sodium becomes ion of sodium on losing an electron. So the elements of the ions which loses electron are good reducing agents. We call them, they are very good reducing agents. Example, sodium here, they are very good reducing agents. And here the gaining which get negative charge, they are called oxidizing agents. What we call them? Oxidizing agents. Here they are the oxidizing agents. Chlorine, such as here they are the reducing agents. So this is about the cation, anion, and about valence electrons. The further part of this lesson will be continued in our next class. We'll take a stop here now. Thank you and all.